Hey, sorry. Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew. Got something in my throat there. All right, so let's keep going with our tens partners here. This is our second video of the day. I mean, double bonus here, right? Very exciting. Okay, so this time we're going to flip over another red and record what we have. So we now have 2 reds, okay? And now the question is, how many yellows do we have? All right, so let's count them up. I can see that there are 5 in the bottom row and 3 up here. 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So there's 8 yellows. So let's record that. We have 2 reds and 8 yellows make 10. So 2 and 8 are another pair of tens partners, right? So if you have 2 and you add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, you end up with 10. Okay? Or you could have gone 2, 1, 2, so 2 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. 2 and 8 makes 10. Okay? So, very exciting. We've learned that 0 and 10, 1 and 9, and 2 and 8 are tens partners. Because when you add them together, they make 10. 10, 10, 10. All right, let's flip another one. Now we have 3 reds. And now I want you to figure out how many yellows are there and write that down. Okay? So go ahead and do that. And then when you come back, we'll be ready to go. All right, did you get what I got? Which is 7 yellows. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you could think of it as 5, right? This row is 5, 6, 7. Okay? All right, so 3 and 7 is another pair of tens partners. Okay, so that's very exciting. Oh, we saw that before, didn't we? Wait, but it was reversed. It was 7 and 3. So looks like 3 and 7 is also a tens partner. That's interesting. Have you also noticed, look over here. Have you noticed that as the reds go up by 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, the yellows go down by 1, 10, 9, 8, 7. Very interesting. I wonder if it has something to do with the fact that when I flip this, it goes from yellow to red, right? We lose 1 yellow and we gain a red. So let's see. We're going to take away that yellow and make it a red. So now we have 4 reds. Okay, remember, if I go too fast, just pause the video, catch up, and then come back, okay? So if we have 4 reds, how many yellows do we have? All right, write it out, and then come on back when you're ready. Okay, pause the video and then come back. All right, so how'd you do? Did you get, I'm going to put 4 here. Let's just do that from now on. Did you get 6 yellows? Yeah, so look, 5, 6, right? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that 4 and 6 are also tens partners. Okay, very exciting. So we have 4. Now if I add 6, I could just do 1. So 6 is 1 and 5, right? So here's 6, and here's 4. Here's 6, and here's 4. So look, 4 and 6 make 10. That was pretty good, right? I'm getting better at doing my hands, right? Okay, so, and if I took 10 and took away 6, I have 4. What? And if I have 4 and I add 6, I have 10. And if I have 10 and I take away 4, I have 6. I mean, no wonder they call them fat families. It's getting very exciting here, boys and girls. Very exciting. Okay. So what are we even doing? Where are we? Who are we? Who are you? Who am I? Okay. Let's turn another one over. Let's see what we get. Ooh, now we've got 5 reds. 5, 5. Okay, and how many yellows do we have? You can see it. There's 5 yellows, right? We kind of already knew that. 5 and 5, because we know from our hands that 5 and 5 are tens partners, right? 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, my goodness, I need to take a deep breath. All right, so let's move on. All right, so I am going to speed up, boys and girls, because I think you get the handle on this. I want you to write down 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because, and then I want you to figure out when there's 6 reds, how many yellows are there? Okay, so I'm going to put that here too, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when there's 7 reds, how many yellows? 8 reds, how many yellows? 9 reds, how many yellows? Okay, so go all the way up, and at the end, we're going to see a magical property of mathematics. You heard me, it's magical. Yes, it's definitely magical because I'm holding a wand. Or a marker, who can tell? Okay, all right, so do the rest of this paper, and I'll see you in a few minutes, okay? Well, hello, fancy meeting you here. So, did you get what I got? Did you get 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2? So let's see, 6 and 4, okay? 7 and 3. It's getting easier to see the yellows, right? 8 and 2. 9 and 1. And 10 reds and 0 yellows. All make 10. Okay? So, what's the magical property? Well, let's take a look at the whole paper. Check this out. Did you notice that 0, look at this, 0 and 10, 10 and 0. 1 and 9, 9 and 1. 2 and 8, 8 and 2. So this is called the commutative property of addition. You do not have to remember that name. You don't have to spell it. You don't have to say it. You don't have to remember it. I'm just telling you it's called the commutative property. It just tells you that you can flip things around and get the same answer when you add. Not subtract. Doesn't work with subtraction. So if we take a look here, right? We have... Sorry, it's all messed up. So look, if I say 4 reds and 6 yellows make 10, okay? It's also true that, look at this, 4 yellows and 6 reds make 10, right? It's also true that 7 reds and 3 yellows, or 7 yellows and 3 reds. Okay, it's a magical property of mathematics addition. It's very exciting. Okay, let me show you what you're going to do on your own today. Today's a long day. I know, it's a big day. 2 videos and some work. I mean, Mr. McAndrew, what are you doing to us? But I promise you, it's going to be like crazy fun. And when I say crazy fun, I mean crazy. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hold on a second. So girls, so here we go. This is not the crazy part, but you do need your paper. It says Monday, Shake and Spill. So this is the paper that you need to do your work, okay? And the only other thing you need is you need your 10 counters, okay? Yeah, red and yellow counters. And I need you to put them into a cup, all right? So here's a cup, all right? It's a cup. I'm going to put them in the cup, okay? Now, if you don't have a cup for some reason, or you just don't have access to it or whatever, that's fine. You can just use your hands. You just put them in your hands. Here, I'll show you. You just put them in your hands, okay? And then you're going to shake them up, okay? Like this. Shake, 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 shake. Or you put them in a cup and you shake them like this. Maybe put your hand over it, it's going to go flying. Go shake, 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 shake. It's more fun if you sing shake, 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 but you don't need to. It's just optional. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, and then you spill them out onto your paper or table, wherever your desk, wherever you happen to be. Okay? So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to spill it. Spills it out. Okay, I'm going to put, now don't flip them around. Just put the reds, the ones that landed on red over here, and the ones that landed on yellow. If you're not sure, it's fine. Just do your best. This looks like a red, yellow, yellow. Okay, so it looks like we ended up with, interestingly, and this is what you would do on your paper is what we were just doing with the red and yellow counters, is we're going to draw them out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 5 reds. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have done that in red. I don't know why I didn't. Sorry, boys and girls. Okay, So we're going to put 5 reds. Now, if you don't have a different color marker, if you do have a different color marker, then use it. So one color is red and one color is yellow, okay? If you don't, that's fine. You could just do it, you could put it like this. You could just write the letter R to go like R, 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 R. So those all stand for red. All right, and then yellow is going to be, what letter does the word yellow start with? Yeah. That's a Y. I don't know why, but it is. It's a Y. So we're going to put, now how many yellows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to write 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? So that's how it works. And then you just keep going until you fill up the paper. So when you're done with that one, you put them all back in. And you do it again. All right, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to go shake, 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 shake. And I'm going to spill them out. Watch me get 5 and 5 again. Would you believe it? All right, I don't think I am, though. It looks like I'm going to get 7 reds, maybe. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reds. Okay, so I'm going to go 7 reds. And I have 3 yellows, which I'll do in my other color. And I can see that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so this is a way, boys and girls, to have fun and learn your tens partners. Okay, and when I put them back in, I shake them up, I spill them, and I do it again. Now, let's say I spill it and I get 7 reds again. Well, that's okay, but if you're like getting tired of the 7 reds and the 3 yellows, then put them back in and shake them up again. It's totally fine, all right? And you should get some combination of tens partners from our list, right? You'll either end up with 0, well, you won't, and it's possible you'll end up with 0 reds and all 10 yellows. That would be unusual, but it's possible, okay? But you'll end up with one of these combinations, and as you do it, you'll be learning your tens partners. All right, boys and girls, today's been a big day. Sorry for the long videos. But it's very fun, very exciting, good stuff, very important stuff, okay? So hang in there, be good, be kind, be safe, and be good to your parents. I've got kids, and I hope their teachers tell them that. Okay, all right, have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.